To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws securing the housing. Remove the screws using a T25 Torx driver. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the screws. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.